This is Donna D'Angelo with the Breath of Spirit message from the Institute of Christ Consciousness for September 8th, 2024. This one I've entitled Restoration of Divine Order. And here we begin. The planetary phase of the Great Reckoning is upon us, that divine order may be restored upon our world. What does this mean, and how will it impact humanity and our daily lives? For those who have spiritually awakened, it will be an experience of liberation and celebration. Insights are gleaned of the new support system from our universe family, replacing the mindal structures tied to our ancient past spiritual enslavement. For others, revelations of truth will be shocking to perceive because their inner spiritual foundation has not been developed yet to the point of higher self-perception, which secures a person in divine love, validation, and safety. Divine order comes from within, from an agreement between Creator Parent and human child to cooperate with the ways of life, to cultivate a society which values love, truth, goodness, beauty, justice, fairness, and equality for all. Human willingness to live dedicated to spiritual principles and values establishes boundaries within our thoughts, feelings, and actions from our indwelling spirits to help us operate within the spiritual laws of life. The human mind and heart gladly recognize the safety and security of living in the spirit, and the lure of evil and sin loses its grasping influence to keep humanity in restricted states of unworthiness, guilt, and shame. During the Great Reckoning, as inner divine order is restored to the human mind memory system, more people will become aware of their own creative and spiritual potential. Stimulation from the indwelling spirit sparks new insights for people to perceive their value and have greater willingness to cooperate with their own divine plans of self-recognition and growth. As more people respond to the inner reckoning and perceive their soul value, more individuals will want to contribute to building a higher order of life in our world, one where divine order is the natural way of life and all share in abundance and prosperity. End of message. So take a moment now to shift into your heart and hold that willingness and the intention for your spirit to restore more divine order within you. Your spirit is fully aware of what is out of alignment with the ways and laws of spirit, the ways of life within you. There is nothing to be ashamed of. There is nothing to fear. So just hold this intention and allow the restoration of divine order to gently move in you. And you might feel some tingling sensations or a frequency alteration in you to a higher rate of vibration. All of this is part of the restoration process. So open to it with an open heart and mind, and simply relax as you focus on restoration of divine order operating within you. There is something very beautiful and good growing inside. This is your soul value, and it wants to help you perceive yourself from who you really are as a son and daughter of God. When you feel this presence within you, when you experience this warm quality of divine affection, it establishes a greater safety net around you and provides you with more of that willingness to cooperate with the divine ways. Why would you ever want to impose harm upon yourself or another person when you are fully in this holy divine order for your life? It is inconsistent with the spiritual principles of life. So in this time of reckoning, what is occurring is the Spirit is shining truth light on all those areas within you that need to be restored to divine order. And you only have to ask and to receive what your Spirit wishes to provide to you, of the calibrations to bring what is out of balance and what is out of alignment back into this beautiful order that is perfect and natural, beautiful and divine. So let's sit with this for a few more moments. You feel that need for Spirit to refine you in the ways you need. As our world continues to undergo this reckoning period, where what we need to perceive that is out of alignment, to make the choice to say, I need help. Please bring what I need to learn into my mind and heart. And so this is one of the ways you, again, restore divine order within yourself. So use this as a learning experience to explore more of who you are, and trust that good things are happening within, and that will be reflected in the way you perceive your out of reality. Thank you for allowing me to spend these brief moments of message and meditation with you. And please reach out to us if you need a personal assistance to help you clear the interference from your mind and memory and open to a greater perception of the divine self living within. Thank you. God bless you. And I'll be back with another message next week. Goodbye for now.